I'm the creator of Guardian. Guardian is a PWA app, so it works like an app, and you're welcomed with a philosophical quote. Then it welcomes your username, you tap anywhere to continue, and you're brought to the dialog page. You can tap on load past messages to load past messages, and just like any other chatbot, you can also take a photo, auto dictate, and send text messages. Then here in the hamburger menu, you have dashboard, which is basically like a manual input of what Guardian does via dialogue. So for example, it'll also prompt you to download the app if you haven't done so. So for example, my goal might be lose weight at the moment. And then via dialogue, Guardian will ask me every day, what have you eaten today? Or have you done any exercise? And Guardian will generally log everything you do. And then you have your streaks as well. And then in history, for example, if you ever delete messages accidentally, you can always back them up. So messages, reflections, goals, histories. Then in settings, it's the general user settings. You have your account information. You have your Guardian profile. So whether Guardian speaks more confidently or warmly or assertive, and you can change all of those depending on how Guardian reacts to you, or it'll do that automatically, but you can also change it manually. And then you have your Guardian activity overview, Wu Wei mode, which is basically like Chinese philosophy, how it tries to nudge you in a way that is almost invisible. So it's not like drink more water now, rather it's more like, so how many cups of water have you had today? Then we have your basic preferences, your username, your time zone, notification preferences. We're still working on push notifications right now, which is kind of why I'm doing this fundraiser via Kickstarter, but hopefully that'll go on. Then we have appearance settings, and then we can also choose our voices via an API, which connects to OpenAI, and it uses those voices. Then in Privacy Center, you have your memory collection, so your memory from all your past conversations and how Guardian has reacted to them. Then you cloud sync and backup if you want to like back up your data, because if you have really, really long messages and you don't want to store it all locally, then you can connect it to your iCloud account. Then data and privacy controls. Then a consent audit trail, so whenever you allow Guardian to access the internet or use your data for anything, it will explicitly ask you and then it will log it there. And then, internet settings and transparency logs. So that's basically it for the hamburger menu. You can also log out. If you click on the little Guardian icon here, it returns you back to, it returns you back to dashboard. And then this will return you back to dialog. So that's it so far, Guardian in a nutshell. It's basically your Jeeves Jarvis plus Marcus Aurelius Philosopher King plus accountability coach. The user actually never needs to go into the hamburger menu, as Guardian will pick up everything automatically. Basically, your goals, how you're getting along with them, and then Guardian will speak to you in a kind of mirror way. So if you're like a kid, it'll reply to you in a childish way. If you're more of like a serious person, it will do that. But then of course you can go to the hamburger menu. You can go to dashboard. You can edit your goals manually. You can go to conversation history, delete messages. You can also change Guardian's personality via the dashboard. And yeah, you have the privacy settings and everything like that. So